What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a super quick video unboxing the new iPhone 12 in blue. Right away you'll notice how thin the box is. They're able to do this because they don't include a wall charger in this year's iPhone. Supposedly because they're trying to be eco-friendly, which I think is BS. They're just trying to save money. Anyways, right here on the back you'll notice a tab, plastic tab. We can go ahead and remove that. Just like that. And then here we just have the box itself. We're going to go ahead and lift it up. And there is the new blue iPhone. So obviously this is just the regular iPhone 12, not the Pro model. I believe the blue in the Pro model is a different shade of blue, but I'll have to see one in person to really compare them. But this does look pretty nice actually. I can't remember exactly the term that Apple is using to describe this type of blue, but it looks like a royal dark blue. And something I noticed right away also is that the Apple logo looks a lot bigger than previous iPhones. For comparison, you can see the iPhone XS does have the smaller Apple logo. Try to zoom in a little bit more. So yeah, it's definitely noticeable the iPhone 12 does have a bigger Apple logo, which I can't say it's a bad thing, it's just something different. And then here we'll go ahead and pull off the tab in the front so we can go ahead and see the screen as well. The bezels are supposed to be a tad smaller. I'm not too sure if I can recognize that right away. It's hard to tell with the screen it turned off. Another major difference is the sides of the iPhone. It has the metal sides now, just like the iPhone 5 did, which I honestly think it looks amazing. And then this iPhone should have a 5G on this side, as you can see right over here. All iPhones this year will come with 5G, which is something that Apple's obviously advertising a lot. So that's basically the new iPhone. Obviously I'll probably make a full review on it. And then inside the box, what else comes with it? It comes with an Apple sticker and then some other paperwork that no one reads. And then a SIM connector, or whatever this is called, to take out your SIM from the iPhone. And then we also have a USB-C to Lightning cable. And this is the reason why it doesn't make sense for Apple to not include a wall charger in this year's iPhone. They barely made it USB-C to Lightning last year. So if you didn't get last year's iPhone and you decide to get this year's, you will have to buy a USB-C charging brick, which is super dumb in my opinion. But that basically sums up the unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 12 in blue. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.